Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm thrilled to share the finished project that's been simmering in my mind for a while. My drawing of our old house. This charming example of Victorian Scottish architecture dates back to around 1903 and is built from warm blonde sandstone. Over the years, it's acquired a handsome smoke coloration from the steam trains that once stopped at the nearby station, a little reminder of an era when life moved a bit slower. I snapped the reference photo ages ago, but only this week did I find the time, space and confidence to tackle this project. In my world, that's no small feat. I wanted the drawing to feel authentic and heartfelt, transporting me straight back to sweet memories of our family life in the 1980s. As usual, the first hurdle was my glorious Hahnemühle Cappuccino sketchbook. The paper is so thick and textured that tracing the outline felt nearly impossible. But with enough light and patience, I slowly mapped out the house's strong angles and signature fretwork in pencil. Once I had that in place, I grabbed my trusty black 01 Micron marker to sharpen the lines before introducing my Caran coloured pencils. I began with soft base tones for the sandstone facade, gradually building up warmth and shadow. For the smoky areas, I layered subtle greys and muted browns, letting them blend gently into the stone to tell the story of passing time. I won't lie, it was a labour of love, but every minute was absolutely worth it. And the best part? This little masterpiece now lives on forever in my oh-so-special sketchbook. Thanks for joining me on this nostalgic journey. If you've ever drawn a place that holds special meaning for you, drop a comment below and share your story. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell so you won't miss what's coming next. Until then, keep making art that feels like home. If you enjoyed this tutorial, check out another of my architectural tutorials called Glasgow School of Art by clicking the link on the right. And if you haven't already, tap my logo on the left to subscribe. It really helps the channel grow. Thanks for watching.